Number 1. 1984 Chevrolet C10, price $6,500, titled as a GMC C1500, shows just 58,000 miles, which are believed to be original. Painted in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, it carries plenty of classic charm. Under the hood sits a dependable small-block Chevy engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, where first gear serves as a low gear, making it both practical and enjoyable to drive. Previously owned by a motorcycle shop, the truck was used sparingly as a shop vehicle, contributing to its well-preserved condition. It runs and drives great, benefiting from recent upgrades such as new tires and a new carpet kit. Inside, the dash pad has been replaced, while the Chevrolet front clip adds to its authenticity and appeal. Overall, this C10 offers a strong blend of originality and usability, making it a solid choice for anyone who appreciates a well-kept classic truck. Number 2. 1979 Chevrolet LUV, price $9,800, with just 61,000 miles on the odometer. This classic pickup is powered by a dependable 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. It runs and drives exceptionally well, thanks to recent updates including new plugs, wires, distributor, alternator, battery, and hoses. The exterior is finished in a striking orange paint that highlights the clean lines of this LUV, and the body remains in excellent condition. Inside, the cabin is equally impressive with a fully restored and reupholstered black interior. Every detail, from the seats, floorboards, and headliner to the dash and door panels, presents in outstanding shape. A sunroof adds to the unique appeal of the truck, making it even more enjoyable. Completing the look, the pickup rides on newer LT Maxxis 751 Bravo radial tires wrapped around aftermarket chrome rims, enhancing both style and performance. Number 3. 1993 Ford F150, price $3,900, comes with the classic 5.0 L V8 engine paired with a manual transmission and four-wheel drive, showing 181,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in brown with a gray interior, it runs on gasoline and still carries the rugged charm these trucks are known for. While it isn't a perfect example, the truck starts, runs, and drives reliably. The brakes feel solid, the tires are in decent shape, and the 4x4 system is fully functional, making it ready for both work and play. The interior may be simple, but it remains clean and practical for everyday use. Adding to its versatility, the truck comes with a topper on the bed, making it especially useful for camping trips or keeping gear dry and secure. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1966 Chevrolet C10, price $7,500, runs on a straight 6,292 with a 4-on-the-floor manual transmission. Finished in satin black with a gold interior, it's a solid driver that always starts, though not a show truck. A new carburetor was installed 2.5 years ago, with an extra brand new carb included. Upgrades include a dual master cylinder with new brake booster, front disc brake conversion with 2.5-inch drop spindles, new rear drums, lowered coils, and updated wiring. It also has a new heater blower, thermostat, ignition switch, rekeyed doors, and a fresh battery. The radiator has a small pinhole, blinkers work intermittently, reverse lights need wiring, and the tires are older. Glass is good, rust is typical for Oregon, and it comes with valid tags through February 2026 and a clean title. Number 5. 1986 Nissan Pickup, price $6,500. It comes with a clean title and has received plenty of recent work to ensure reliability. Powered by a dependable V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers smooth performance on the road. The transmission was rebuilt not long ago, and many new engine components have been installed. The truck has also been fitted with several useful features and upgrades, including front and rear grille guards, fog lights, and an alarm system for added security. Music lovers will appreciate the upgraded speakers and subwoofer, while the sturdy toolbox in the bed adds extra utility. The muffler remains in excellent shape, and the bed is protected by both a liner and a mat. Riding on tires that are in great condition, this Nissan Pickup is ready to be enjoyed and driven with confidence. Number 6. 1986 Chevrolet 2500, price $7,500, classic and reliable pickup with 106,000 miles on the odometer. This truck features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, sporting a gray exterior paired with a blue interior. It has minimal rust, with a beautiful patina that highlights its vintage character. The truck has spent most of its life carrying a camper, which has helped preserve the bed in excellent condition. The interior and exterior remain in very nice original shape for a vehicle of this age. This Chevrolet 2500 has had 3 owners and continues to run and drive smoothly, making it a dependable choice for both daily use and classic truck enthusiasts.
Number 7.
1979 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,000. The truck comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a gasoline-powered engine, and a stylish combination of a gray exterior with a contrasting red interior. This classic truck runs great and has been well cared for, featuring new brakes on both the front and rear as well as a fresh set of 31 by 10.50 Goodyear tires. Inside, it has been refreshed with new carpeting and a re-upholstered seat, giving the cabin a clean, updated look.
Both fuel tanks are fully functional, and everything on the truck works as it should.
While a previous owner removed the air conditioning system, the vehicle remains a solid and reliable example of late-70s GMC craftsmanship.
Number 8.
1987 GMC 2500, price $4,000. It has 136,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a gray exterior with a matching gray interior, it runs on gasoline and still retains its original engine. The truck runs and drives as it should and is supported by 2 functional gas tanks.
Its body remains in great shape, showing only some discoloration over the years.
A new battery was installed in 2025, while the front wheel hubs, bearings, water pump, and spark plugs were all replaced in 2019, ensuring a solid mechanical foundation. However, the truck does come with a list of needs. It requires new gaskets, an oil change, fresh fluids, and new tires. The upholstery is torn, and the wipers need replacement. Additionally, the rear right tail light is damaged, and the ignition steering column needs repair, though it still starts without issue.
Number 9.
1969 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,500. It has traveled 144,000 miles. Powered by a 396 engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, it runs and drives great, making it a fun cruiser for both casual drives and weekend outings. Finished in green with a brown interior, the truck has received a new interior along with a fully redone wood bed, giving it fresh appeal inside and out.
Despite its age, it shows very little rust, and everything on the vehicle is in working order. Running on gasoline, this C20 has been fitted with many new parts to keep it dependable on the road. With a clear title in hand, it stands as a well-maintained and enjoyable classic truck ready for its next owner. Number 10.
1970 Ford F100, price $6,800, with 210,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior. The original frame remains intact, but it has been upgraded with a Crown Victoria front suspension and a 4-link rear setup paired with an 8.8 Posey rear end. Stopping power comes from 4-wheel disc brakes, allowing it to stop quickly and confidently. Under the hood sits a 4.6L engine mated to the automatic transmission, though the truck is currently not running due to a wiring or computer issue. When running, the heat and air conditioning are fully functional, making it both comfortable and fun to drive.